Hello, hello, hello.
Student A is struggling to carry a large box, set of chairs, and a globe prop.
This is so heavy, but I can do it alone. I don't need anyone's help.
Hey, let me help you.
No, I don't need your help. I can do it by myself.
Twice again. Twice again. Gets tired. Almost drop it.
Wait, why are struggling rules? If we work together, we can make it easier.
But is it better to do things on our own?
Not always. Look at the United Nations. Countries are helping together for peace, health, and progress, just like the United Nations. Cooperation builds a better world.
Lift the box, arrange the chairs, and carry the globe successfully.
See, together, we solve the problem faster.
You're right, my friend. Alone, I will do it. But with cooperation, we were strong.
In our school, our community, and the whole world, we are stronger when we work together. The United Nations remind us that cooperation and unity can solve even the biggest challenges.
I am proud of you all. That's the true meaning of teamwork.
Cooperate.
Build a better world.
A round of applause to our grade presenters. For 50 pesos. For 50 pesos, I will be asking from the audience, anybody, how do you understand the skit in a vernacular language? Sa Ilonggo, anong pag-intindi mo sa skit, Berly Ann? Please come forward. I would like to invite Berly Ann to please come forward with me as I ask her kung ano ba ang punsi ganun sa itong skit. Bistan simple lang. Ready, go! Vernacular, Ilonggo, para maintindihan sang tanan.
Ang pag-intindi ko sa sitong ang skit is ang pagbulig or ang pagbulig sa isa kano or ang pagbuliganay para mapakita ang pagkaisa.
Alright, there is unity when we help each other. Isa pa! Dwight! Come forward! Barillas, identify ka dito sa English. Barillas, come forward! For 50 pesos, sino pa? Isa na lang! From the Boy Scout, wala? Wala! From the Boys Group, isa na lang! How do you understand the skit in a vernacular language or dialect natin? Sige, explain. Parillas, plus 20. O, sige, ready. Ano pag-intindi mo sa ina drama-drama? Pagpuligay sa... Here we go, the round of applause. Pagpuligay sa isa kan isa. Okay, just claim your prize, Berly Ann, to Mama Shelby Jose, 50 pesos. And Dwight Barillas to Ma'am Gerlie Duca. According to the skit, alone we can do so little, but together we can do so more. No man in an island, arita day para sa isa, kag-isa. Alright, are we ready for our quiz B? I would like to invite our participants to please occupy now the seats provided here at the center.